Hi, I'm Nick with Mars Cars, and I'd like to talk to you today about the most common questions we get around the shop. What voltage is my car? What voltage are my batteries? How old are they? And what kind are they? Let's start with what type of batteries do I have? There are several different types of batteries. Absorbed glass mat, also known as AGM, gel batteries, wet cell, and lithium. The only batteries you need to service are the wet cells. The AGM, the gel, or the lithium do not need any service. Let's start with the date of the batteries. So the date is when the battery was actually filled with acid. On the negative terminal, on the Trojans, this says A2. So this battery was born in January of 2022. A being January, B being February, C being March, D being April, etc., etc. This battery was born G2, so that's July of 2022. Wet cell batteries usually last 5 to 7 years if you take care of them. If you don't take care of them, I've seen people destroy them in a year. AGM batteries usually last about 5 years. Gel batteries are about the same. The reason for going wet cell over an AGM, you can hurt a wet cell battery by leaving it discharged, and sometimes you can bring it back to life. If you discharge an AGM or a gel and leave it discharged for any length of time, the chances of you bringing the battery back to life are very slim. Even though the AGM and the gels are non-serviceable, the wet cells are a little more forgiving. The other battery option is lithium, and it's one battery, and it usually says what it is stamped right on the battery. Now, lithium batteries, you don't need to do anything to them. You can leave them at whatever state of charge you want. They don't really have a memory. Moving on to how many volts is my battery? Each one of these caps has a cell plate of lead and zinc, your anode and your cathode, and it runs sideways through the battery. So you have one set of plates, two set of plates, three set of plates, four set of plates, five set of plates, six sets of plates. So each set of plates is 2.2 volts. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this is a 12 volt battery. 13.2 volts on full charge. This battery has 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8. This is an 8 volt battery. This has 3 sets of cells. 2, 4, 6. So this is a 6 volt battery. Now on an AGM battery, you're going to have vents for the plates. So you have 1 vent, 2 vent, 3 vent. This is a 6 volt battery. Or a lot of times you can just read on the battery what voltage it is right here. 7.2 to 7.35 volts on full charge. So they get a little more out of this one. So that covers that. How many volts are my batteries? If you have 6 of these, you have a 36 volt car. If you have 6 of these, you have a 48 volt car. If you have 4 of these, you have a 48 volt car. If you have 6 of these, you have a 72 volt car. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped answer all of your questions. We're available for sales and service at Mars Cars. Come check us out.